Hey guys, what's up? Good morning, and welcome to another episode of Gabe's channel. So today I'm going to be making some insane scrambled eggs. Are you ready? Okay, here I go. So I need to get the measuring cup. So let me get the measuring cup, and we can get things started. Okay. Okay. Okay, now, as you can see today, I took out the light because the light was reflecting off the glass and it was just too bright. So I have the light behind me now, so hopefully you guys can see much better, okay? Okay, guys, so let me turn on the electric stove. Okay, let me open this to number 5. I have to press the 1 going down, and then I have to press number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, while that's heating up, now I'm going to make some insane scrambled eggs for you. Okay, so as you can see, I got the pan here. I'm going to put that on the electric stove. Okay, guys, and now what we're going to do is we need to get the materials, okay? So let me get in the fridge here and get all the materials for you. Okay, so now I need to get the bowl so I can mix everything. Now, I love having scrambled eggs for breakfast, so this is one of my all-time favorites, okay? Okay, so I have 4 eggs here, as you can see, so I'm just going to smash it into the bowl. Okay, that's 1 egg. Okay, this is 2. Three. And 4. Okay, now what I like to do is I also like putting olive oil. So what I do is I put a little olive oil in the pan like that, ever so, just for cooking and for flavoring. I use extra virgin olive oil, so you should definitely get this, okay guys? It's really good, okay? Okay, now I need 1/4 cup of milk to give it flavor. So I'm going to be putting 1/4 cup milk. I use Meiji, lactose free, so this is very, very good, okay? Okay, 1/4 cup, so I'm pouring that in there. Okay, so as you can see, that's I believe that's 1/4. Let me check that. Yeah, that's definitely 1/4 cup. Okay guys, so that's 1/4 cup, okay? Okay, now we need to get the butter. Let me get the butter. You need 2 tablespoons of butter, so I got the butter here. And I use Orchid. This is the unsalted, okay? Okay. So what I like to do is, I like to put 1 scoop of butter, okay? In the pan. One tablespoon of butter in here. Just like that, to mix it with the olive oil. That's going to give it some flavor. And then I also like to put 1 tablespoon of butter in the egg mix. Okay? You don't have to put a lot of butter, guys, but just enough, okay? Okay, so that's 1 tablespoon of butter. Now I'm putting this in with the eggs, okay? Just to give it flavor. And this is the milk, so I'm just going to pour the milk in here now. Okay. And that's it. Oh, now the most important ingredients now you're going to need are two things that I missed out. Salt and pepper. So let me get that for you. Oh gosh. Okay, hold on a second, guys. Okay, I got the salt and pepper now. So I use this brand. It's called Prong Tip, okay? So you can pick this up anywhere. It's ionized refined salt. Now I just dab it in here like that. 1 tablespoon is fine. Okay, guys. So that's going to give it some flavor. And now you need some black pepper for taste. Okay, and that's it. Now you just mix it up ever so. Okay, until it gets really like yellow. So yeah, guys, scrambled eggs, it's good for your health and it's good for your, for breakfast. So I like having scrambled eggs for breakfast. Sometimes, not every day, but when I get around it. I hope you're enjoying my videos, guys, and yeah, thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I have 85 subscribers now. So I will be uploading this on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Snapchat. Okay guys, the scrambled eggs are ready now. It's ready for cooking. Are you ready? So I'm going to go ahead and pour this in now, okay? And just a reminder, guys, so the light is not facing the stove now. It's behind me, so it's not reflecting off the glass. So hopefully you can see clearly now. Okay. My videos are improving with time, as you can see. Yeah, thanks for supporting your boy, and that's scrambled eggs for you. So I guess we're just going to make this video 10 minutes. Pancakes takes longer to make, so that's why it was a 15-minute video. But this is definitely going to take 10 minutes. And that's about it, guys. Just let it cook and simmer. Now I need to get the plate, so let me get the plate. Let me get the scooper first, too. So you definitely need a spatula, which is like that, okay? Okay, let me put the... So while that's cooking, let that cook in there. I need to get the plate now because once this scrambled eggs are ready, you can just put it on the plate, okay? Now, omelet is similar to make, but I also like making omelet as well sometimes, so. Okay, guys. Scrambled eggs. Thanks for enjoying my video. Insane Scrambled Eggs by Gabby. By Gabe Meister, Gabby Hayes. Okay, so yeah, I hope you're enjoying my videos, and this is almost finished, so just let it cook in there, okay guys? Sometimes I like having also for breakfast like a peanut butter, maybe a banana as well. So. Okay. So you just want it nice and fluffy. You can mix it up and like that. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, your scrambled eggs. So thanks for following me on social media: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Snapchat. And I will be seeing you in my next videos. Thanks for enjoying my episode, guys. Okay, that's it. It's finished. So once it's finished, you just take it out and you just put it on the pan ever so lightly. Okay, guys? You don't want to overcook it. Make sure it's nice and fluffy, okay? Okay, that's it. It's finished. So I'm taking it out now, as you can see. Okay. But that's it, guys. Scrambled eggs. Okay, guys. That's it for my video, and have a nice weekend, a great weekend, and we'll be seeing you in the next one, okay? Alright. Take care. Bye-bye. Okay. Love you all. See you.